offer to help Danielle get into modeling school.
What? Yes. No. Is that how she heard it?
Yes! Gabrielle, did you or did you not offer to sponsor her?
I just wanted to help out.
It's in New York, for God's sakes. Why on earth would you suggest that?
It's her dream. And don't you want her to be happy?
No. And in the future, I would appreciate you keeping your ridiculous ideas to yourself.
Bree! John. John!
You're so jealous of Danielle, you try to ship her off to New York?
I'm not jealous. I just don't like to share.
Well, you know what? I quit. The yard, us, everything.
Oh, don't be that way.
Well, what's the point if we can never be together? You know, an hour here, an hour there.
I don't want us to end on a bad note. Carlos has this black tie thing tonight. I could slip
Miss
out.
Solis.
John, please. What we had was so special. I think it deserves a proper goodbye.
We'd still be over, though.
Of course.
You're so jealous of Danielle, you try to ship her off to New York? You're so jealous of Danielle, you try to ship her off to New York?